Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set chassis name in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. Okay, so first I am open the terminal, login as a root user. So I issue the command hostnamectl. So you can see there is a chassis name displayed. It displayed as a VM. Chassis name is displayed as a VM. There are some predefined chassis names. So only we need to set those predefined values. Okay, this is the command used to set the chassis name. Okay, hostnamectl set-chassis. So I am giving name as a desktop. So this is a desktop computer. So instead of virtual machine, I am displaying this as a desktop computer. Okay. So you cannot clear this chassis name. If you try to clear the chassis name, means it will be reset to default value automatically. You can't clear the chassis name. So I am putting back the chassis name as a VM itself. So once again you can see that chassis name is got changed. So this command is will be useful for you to identify what type of machine, whether it is a virtual machine or a desktop or laptop.